Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot school bus we just spent this past year building out to be our dream home on wheels. But that's not the point. We're about to take you on a drive all the way across the country and back, so let's roll. Oh, while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you know you're along for the ride. There are still plenty of miles left to cover. By now, we all know how we started off our trip. You know, the whole breaking down, living in a diesel shop, running over our car.
I hear the
But after a week of repairs, we are officially back on the road and officially started our voyage west. First, making our way down to Georgia, where we picked up 2 new kittens.
What's that?
Puddles and Moose. And then we made our way back up to Tennessee, but not without catching the stomach flu. Oh, but Buc-ee's was cool. A few more miles got us over to Kentucky. I don't know, we're in Kentucky. Where not only did I learn a new word, we're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
But we had the best day ever exploring the Mammoth Caves together. An unplanned pit stop in Illinois. What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. Very quickly led us over to Missouri, where we were able to check out the Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. Gateway Arch.
And fun fact, you can go up it. You can go up it?
Fun fact, no. I think you can like literally go inside the thing.
In little things. There's a thing on the thing.
Like literally go inside the thing.
Why
Travel inside of it.
No. Now get this, to eventually make our way west, which is the goal. We actually went north. Yeah, to South Dakota.
Oh, I did it. Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking a...
The most beautiful drive ever has led us to here, Wyoming, and all that's left is to explore it together. You're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Night fever, night fever.
Hit a sign.
Yeah, you're gonna just, yeah, I'm gonna go. All right, bye.
I love it so much.
You hungry? It's a there's a bird right there. That's so cool. Okay, when I say we just landed at the coolest parking spot for the night ever, I mean it. We're going on a bear hunt. I'm gonna catch a big one. Can you hear the river? That's rushing water. Hi friends, it's like way too late at night, but we're looking out the window for bears, and I think tomorrow the plan is we have the whole bus like already stuff in sync. Oh my god. I hated that.
Nightmare.
So we have the entire bus packed up and ready to go because I think first thing tomorrow morning, as soon as I have coffee in my belly, we're leaving and we're gonna go spend the day at Yellowstone National Park. And just smack my face off the table. God, I need to go to bed. Going on a bear hunt. I'm gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Uh-oh.
Or is it a dude?
Oh, kitty, cute. Oh, kitty.
It's a dude.
Oh.
We just woke up in the most beautiful spot. I am so excited. We're getting ready. It's early. I don't even think I've had more than 2 sips of coffee, but we're getting ready to head over to Yellowstone National Park again. We drove through it last night for over an hour. Saw so many cool animals. We drove all around the lake. Saw geysers.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. We saw the things that go psh.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Oh, I built him. Can I show you? Can I show them your Lego, the yellow tractor? Can you go get me the yellow tractor you just had me build with you? Can you get the tractor we built together? Thank you. That's so cool, huh?
Thank you, Mama.
Of course, baby. Anytime. Ryder's playing for a few minutes. Zephyr and Blake are outside going potty. I'm drinking some coffee. But then we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to the thing. Blake just got back with Zephyr, so we're gonna go check in with him. B!
That's D to you.
Are you excited for Yellowstone?
Going bananas for Yellowstone Part 2.
We're so excited. How about this spot?
It's beautiful.
Good find.
I am surprised that it worked out as well as it did.
I'm kind of mad we didn't see a bear.
Yeah. Chilly Willy.
Hey, back.
Hey, there's something running across the here.
Deers running everywhere.
Hey friends, real quick, you guys are the best. I just want to say thank you. Finally having the chance to share this journey with you has been a dream come true, but I promise it's also only just the beginning. So, I guess one last thing before we go, real quick, listen, don't forget, you can like this video down below, you can also leave me a comment or two. Let's get a party going down in the comment section. Share maybe your favorite memory from the trip so far, or somewhere you think we should stop along our way. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Kind of important. That way you know you're along for the ride and it helps your girl out too. I will see you guys down the road and every Sunday with a new video.